We are having advocacy and awareness sessions at different levels. We have them in the community, especially for the women. We have sessions for men. We have sessions for the youth. And we also have sessions in the schools where the children are. We go to the schools that are majorly attended by the urban refugees, where they're able to, they also interact with the Kenyan host populations. But then we take these sessions to them to realize, first of all, how do you prevent, what is gender-based violence? What is sexual violence? How is it caused? What are the consequences, for example? How do you prevent it as a person? What do you do to prevent it as a person? What do you do to prevent it as a group, a youth group or a women's group? And as a community, we also now sit with the local administration and the village leaders to be able to see how they're supposed to help with as a duty bearers. What is the responsibility in handling matters of gender-based violence when they get reported, or how do they also help to work with the community to prevent these cases? How do they make the community have safe spaces to be able to talk about gender-based violence? So we use these forums even through our groups of persons we call health promoters, who go out there to the community to talk about all these issues. The interventions train them to be able to have facts about this. We have capacity building sessions also for the local leaders to be able to know what happens if you get a survivor. How do you respond? What is your first response? You're supposed to get the report, refer this person to the hospital, then after that, refer them to go report to the police station. So there's what we call the referral pathway, which is very, very clear, that needs to be followed for the survivor to get the social justice at the end. So all this information is given to even the young ones as we talk to them in the community, in the schools. What do you do? Who do you report to? But for the prosecution and the cases to be clear and be done, we need the evidence. So part of the awareness and advocacy that we do is, how do you preserve the evidence during the sexual violence? You must tell this to the people as you talk to them about the sexual violence.